to introduce you our new version, LED solar area lights. So you can see from here, this is our new solar area lights. This is a square type, and before you saw is the solar round type. So for this version, we have 15 watt, 20 watt, 30 watt, 40 watt, and 50 watt. And also we can do 200 lumen per watt, and also for 150 lumen per watt or 120, 130 lumen per watt. If you have any this demand, different wattage, you can according your mounting page to choose which wattage you need. First, I will show you here. This is the solar panel. So for this solar panel is get the sunshine, to receive the sunshine and transfer the energy to the lights. Well, here you can see this is the LED chip inside, and this is the motion set PIR sensor. When people comes, it sensor and the lights will coming up. And also we put the battery and the controller inside of this lamp. For this lamp, you can see here, this is the mounting screws. When you receive the lamp, it is very convenient for mounting, installing. It just takes 4 to 5 minutes. You can done the installation. If you install more, and I think in just 1 to 2 minutes it can finish. One more important thing for this installation, this is our panel. For this panel, we can use for the 2.4 inch pole or the 3 inch pole. It can for the 60mm pole or 76mm pole. It is two sides, so it is much more convenient. No matter which size of the pole you use, you just need all the one lamp. Not only this, you can see that this design is look like 7. So it is much more the lights will direct go to ground and more convenient for customers, for people to see the lamp. We have raw stock of the material of this lamp. If you need order, we can ship very quick for you. So if you have any else demand of this lamp, please feel free to contact with our sales. Thank you.